Right now, the sentiment around science is clocking in at plus 0.28, which is a notable uptick against a backdrop of negative momentum at minus 0.52 over the past 24 hours. This divergence suggests that despite the overall downward trend, there's a growing optimism in scientific discourse, perhaps driven by recent breakthroughs or emerging technologies. Our API returns a detailed sentiment analysis, providing you with scores and trends, allowing you to dig deeper into the nuances of public perception. Imagine using this to enhance your research platform. You could track how specific scientific topics are trending, enabling users to stay ahead of the curve. Curious to see how it all works? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to get started.